I want to answer these questions or in comment because I think these persons don't really know what's in Philippines, because he said in Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bangladesh, I think only 2% or 3%, but in the Philippines more than 90% is a single mother. Yes, brother, I agree that mostly in Philippines is having a lot of single mothers, okay? But being a single mothers, they are very responsible, okay? They are very responsible as a father and mother of their kids. That is the one very 100% that even they're a single mother, they are very supportive to provide everything. They are not depending on their mothers. They are not waiting their mothers or parents to feed them. The single mother that you are mocking, they are the one who is feeding their kids, not from the parents. Okay? Second thing, why a lot of single mothers? Because if the husband and wife are not already okay, the relationship is already very toxic, they have a choice. It's either to stay or to leave. Because why are you going to stay with your husband if your husband is very irresponsible? He's not doing his responsibility as a father. He is hurting you physically. He is torturing you emotionally. Why are you going to stay with your husband? Okay, for the separation, because there is no divorce in Philippines, for the separation, okay, the wife or husband will leave without paying any amount. Unlike in your country, India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, you know why they are scared to separate from their spouses? It's because if you're going to be separated from your spouses, you need to pay the dowry, or you need to pay all the expenses. I think you need to pay all the expenses to give it back to the husband or to the wife. You need to pay how many properties, or how properties do you have. You need to pay the parents of your wife if you're going to separate. So that's the difference. That's why, okay, you are like, they are, even it's already toxic mentally, emotionally, and you still want to stay, because if you're going to leave your partner, especially Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bangladesh, you're going to stay with your toxic husband, is because you don't have money to pay. Mostly women from your country, Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bangladesh, they are only at home to serve their family, to serve the kids, because they are not usually, they are not the provider. They're only at home. Okay? That's the difference from Philippines. They are single mother, but I'm very proud of single mothers in Philippines, because they are not waiting their family to feed them. I know a lot of women agreed, but not only that. In your country, women are only depending on their parents and depending on their husband. But it's not all, because other women already from your country, Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bangladesh, other women are already out of the country to work also. Right? Because women in your country, they are only depending from their husband. But Filipino women, no. Mostly Filipino women are the providers of the home, providers of everything. They are a single mother, yes, it's only an status, there's nothing wrong with that, but they provide for their family and for their kids. And that's what I'm very proud of. Even they're a single mother, but they are like a father and mother of parents. Why do you want to stay with your husband if he's already very irresponsible and whatever? That's the difference between your country. They are very irresponsible, and in your country, a lot of, they are making babies outside in abroad, and they're just leaving it, right? So don't try to mock Philippines for having a lot of single mothers, because they are very responsible mother. I'm not angry, I'm just trying to explain. This is the difference. In your country, Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bangladesh, if you're going to be separated, you need to pay a lot of money before you get separated. You need to pay the parents of the woman before you get separated. In Philippines, we don't have divorce. uh, annulment is so expensive, but you have the right, if a relationship is not already okay, you have the right to leave your spouse without paying anything, just only for the child to be supported. Again, I'm very proud to the Philippine single mother, that they are raising their kids alone, without parents, without the help of their parents and their husband. And that's what I'm proud for. So stop mocking single mothers from Philippines. I'm not angry, I'm just explaining.